don't know if he's still behind Bro Barrow.
No, third grenade, Joe! No! Dead grenade! Dead. No, that went over the roof! No grenades over the roof!
You can't shoot me in the face like that.
No!
You can't do that.
No grenades over the roof, okay? No grenades over the roof.
Put his gun through the window and I popped up the other side to say I'm not going to shoot you. He just gets me right in the face.
I know, I.
You're not allowed to play like that.
Hey, chill!
What am I supposed to do? Pull bang back? No, I was going to say to you, I'm not going to shoot you. I'm not going to shoot you.
Chase!
Because I'm about to say it.
Chill out!
You know you can't shoot that close. Whatever gun you have.
I'm going to go back to spawn because I've been standing up as well. So.
Legs, mate. Marshall, he's covering behind you.
Don't use me as a shield, okay? Don't use me as a shield. I call it. Don't use a Marshall as a shield. I know it's tempting. Use me as a shield, I'll shoot you. Dead player coming out! Oh, fuck me! Who's that? Oh, right in the hole. I know that's you, Afro. That was a heavyweight. Dude, you got 4 on the Heli. Yeah. I know, feeling someone shot me on the arm. I got a feeling that was Afro. There's a heavyweight BB. Make sure you have a clean.
Any grenades here? Any grenades?
Well, with so much, be careful. No, it's a good one for you, mate.
God, actually took it. Yeah, it's fair.
Don't use him as a shield, please.
Who's using you as a shield?
I'll hit. Any smart person. Michael, 12 from you! Yep. Someone go up! I think he's moving to the grey container! Yep.
Was he the green shirt? Because he's dead.
No, black shirt! What time are we looking at here?
Almost 5 minutes. So I've got a call at 6 minutes. I was about to call, give a call at 5 minutes, so we're almost there.
Great, thank you. Yeah, Michael.
You alright? Knowing you, yeah, you are.
Just turtled in, mate.
Yeah.
It was a tactical stick. See? Go back in that house now, go back in that house. That's a nice control burst, isn't it?
Yeah.
One's on grey container or get in there. Huh?
Give him, Michael.
Container behind grey container, 2 of them.
Again?
2 of them behind grey container. To the right. So you're on 12 o'clock.
Moving!
3 minutes!
See a grenade being thrown, you try and pull it as early as possible so you'll be able to roll out. Mate, that's it.
Nice.
Non-players have got 4 on the heli. Non-bands have got 4 on the heli.
Either way, they should fucking call it out. Either way, it's a grenade. Yes, he's dead.
Yeah, he's dead.
Right, guys, in the hut, there was 2 or 3 of them lining up to come.
Let's get a few more nearly.
We've got some marshals down at the checkpoint down near the car park. Looks like James and can't say who else. James and looks like Fraser as well. And Aidan as well. I haven't seen anyone here at the minute. I've been looking at keeping eyes on the building and heli, make sure they're calling their hits.
One's moving up, left middle. In the middle.
No play coming out, let them out!
Yeah, mate, got a bit of cramp, but we're moving. What leg? Drop leg there. Drop leg. Got my doctor's leg. Grenade, what's that?
Right there by log in front of my friend.
Couple of minutes left, literally a couple of minutes. You got about a minute or two left.
Minute or two. Right, do quickly. Are you done the full reload?
Pushing left, guys, watch out! Pushing left, pushing left, pushing left!
So play out, let go! Go on, kid, go on, you can do it. One minute left! 1 minute! Hey! Michael! Oh, yeah, mate, your brother, he's gone.